Last September, my friend Hitesh's father passed away when he was 64. After all the formalities of funeral, his family lawyer came to his house and started reading the will. I, Champaklal Shah, hereby declares my will in complete awareness and without the force of anybody. My wife Veera Shah will get 60% of the value of the property and cash. My son Hitesh will receive 25% and my daughter Sonali will get 15%. Hitesh came and told me that his father also donated eyes, liver and kidney. What's that? That's really touched my heart. As I inspired, immediately I rushed to a government hospital to get me a donor card. Ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, there are 3,012 patients dying because of lack of organ donors. You may say, not too much. But don't ignore their families and friends who also shares their pain and anguish of the patient. How do you feel when you really want something like a new mobile, a new movie, or an expensive bag? Now just imagine somebody waiting for one liver, one eye, one kidney, which takes them away from the death of door through the light of life. Children of all races and ethnic backgrounds are dying because of lack of organ donation. Should we let them die? Ahmad, a 1-year-old Pakistani boy, born blind.
Good.
Ahmad, 1-year-old Pakistani boy, born blind. Ahmad, 1-year-old Pakistani boy, born 1-year-old Pakistani boy, Ahmad, born blind, saw the world first time through an eye donated by an Indian farmer, Kashiram. Kashiram's cornea was replaced with Ahmad's cornea. Now Ahmad can see this beautiful world. Ahmad's mother Saida, with tears in her eyes, said, I can't believe this. My little Ahmad could see this beautiful world. We are thankful to Kashiram for his noble act. Organ donation does not see our organ donation goes beyond the country's barriers and religion. People are wondering that organs are taken before the actual death occurs. They also have a doubt about the cost involved in this, and they also hesitate about whether their religion supports this or not. Friends, rest assured, organs are not taken before the actual brain activity stops and actual death occurs. And about the expenses, all the expenses are borne by the organ receiver or the insurance company. And I have researched myself and found that most of the religion support organ donation. You may check with your priest, saint or a rabbi for clarification. I would like to share with you another real life example of Mr. Vijay. Vijay, a banker who's been diagnosed with a kidney failure at a tender age of 38. His doctor suggested for immediate dialysis and search for a donor. Vijay was not prepared for this. But he knew that he has to survive for the sake of 5-year-old Rahul, 7-year-old Rohini and his 33-year-old housewife Kanchan. Vijay began weekly dialysis at the hospital. At the hospital, he undergoes an artificial blood cleaning process where two large needles piercing in his wrist, one drawing the blood, cleaning it from protein, minerals and waste fluids, and other one releasing the fresh blood into the bloodstream. The whole process was terrible, terrific and depressing. Vijay used to feel fatigue, tiredness and weakness after the whole process. And his pain does not end here, my friends. This all comes at the cost of rupees 80,000 a month. What a terrible life, ladies and gentlemen. Oh God, is there any hope for Vijay? There was a ray of hope. Surya, his own cousin, volunteered for donating his own one kidney. Vijay's family waited for bated breath as critical transplant took place. And finally there was a flood of joy and tears. Surya shares the tears of gratitude and Surya shares the tear of joy. Today, Rahul and Rohini plays with Vijay, who has been gifted a lease of life by God, and his own cousin Surya. Friends, how many of us thought of an absolute lack of these organ donations? Yes,
बोलो सोचो.
Organ transplant is one of the precious gifts of modern medicine, but it comes with the generosity of the donor and their family members. Friends, we could give our eyes. Imagine our child or our friend who needs a kidney. Our eyes could be the eyes of a child who will witness the first time the brilliant sunshine. We can give our kidneys to somebody a gift of life. By donating our organs, we could give somebody a gift of life and make our own life a meaningful one. The day will come when I have to leave this world. The bed I lie on, let it be called a bed of life. And let my body be taken away from it to help others to lead a fuller life. Give my sight to a man who has never seen a sunshine, a baby's face, or love in the eyes of women. Give my heart to a person whose own heart has caused nothing but pain. If you want to bury or burn something, let it be my sorrows, let it be my faults, my weaknesses, my prejudice against a fellow man. What a gift better than a gift of life. I am a donor, and you, over to you. Thank you, Naman.
Art